Hi everyone! Welcome to my first video. Today we're going to make our own face mask. As we all know, we are all in the most difficult time of our lives. We are now suffering from coronavirus, but not everyone, but anyway. We're trying to defeat this virus, but as of now, we don't have a cure yet for this virus. So, until then, we have to protect ourselves, like, by washing our hands as often as we can. And, drink a lot of water, do some exercise and protect ourselves, like, using hand sanitizer and, of course, using a face mask. And today we're going to make one. So we're going to make our own face mask. It's a simple and easy to make face mask. And by the help of my daughter, Megan. Okay, Megan, do you know what the things are we going to need?
Scissors.
Oh, what else? Garter.
Garter. And
What is that? Needle.
needle. Hey, watch out. Not touch it. And
Threads.
threads.
White and black.
Black, white and black. Yep.
And of course, the most important thing is...
Wow.
Wow! Actually, this is a sports bra, or whatever you call these things. This belongs to my daughter, but she never used this. So the thing is, inside of this, there's like pads.
Yep.
So these are the ones that we're going to use to make our own face mask. So let's do it!
Let's go! Yay!
Now, we're going to measure the length that we need. And then cut it. And then we start sewing it to the side of the pad. Then to the other side.
For me.
At dito sa may ulo. Okay.
Pamayain. Hello everybody. Está guapo la mesa aquí en el medio.
No, eso te... Escribe otra vez.
Ah. Sí.
Y ese smile en la cámara. Sí, cuando ya estés.
Done.
Mira, lo ya hecho. Papá, mira. Ya hecho.
Muy bien.
No quiere salir.
Malo.
Baby, magsasalita na kami
Ahora
ulit.
tiene...
So, we are done making our own face mask. And we made actually 3 different designs. But it's up to you if you want to do this or do this with your, like this.
The original
Like
one.
ears, or... And also, if you don't have bras at home, you can also use...
Sleeping...
What do you call this?
Eye masks.
Eye patch. Ano tawag nito?
Eye... Eye slippers?
No! Kung siya ma.
Baby! Comme le
Oh, c'est la main,
bonbon. Et comme de la joie, plein du chagrin. Coronavirus.
Instead, bro, I like coronavirus.
Eye mask? Sleeping mask.
Eso que he dicho.
Hey guys, today I gonna be sleepy today because I have many masks. Oh my god, and
No.
could you see my brain is super exploding? It's super exploding. And yeah, it's like that and
Eye mask.
voila. Coronavirus hairstyle. Yeah! Follow me in TikTok. Okay? Follow me. And my name is Fragili.
Okay. Oh, say it.
Look at
Okay.
this, my tricks.
So we just like found this, we just discovered this that we can use this also as a face mask. What? Ano ka anak? Nag-record ka? Hindi.
Sí.
Ulit. Parang wala kang gana.
Sí, sí. Mira. Mira, me voy a correr.
Okay. We just discovered this a while ago that we can also use this as a face mask. And see? Instead of putting like this, you can just like lower it down and you have your own face mask. So I have like two here. This is from Team USA, United Airlines. Something like that. See? And the good thing about this is you can wash it like, you know, as often as you want. You know. So, that's it for today. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And I will anak, huwag kang tumawa. And I will put some video also about how to do some ginger juice that will help you reboost your immune system.
Yep.
Bye! Megan, where are you?
Here. Goodbye. Boop.
Bye-bye! Stay safe! Okay, so that's it. I hope you liked our video, or my video, or our video.
Yep.
This is my first video, and I hope to I hope you like it, and please
And-
subscribe,
Yep.
please. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment below if you want to do me some other videos or some special requests. Just write it down below. Okay? Thank you guys.
Achoo!
Be safe. Oh, coronavirus.